welcome to Kianchi Digital Agency where creativity meets strategy. Today we'll be learning about how to create a carousel post to post on Instagram and Facebook. So let us start learning now. So here when you log into canva.com, so here you will be giving 5400 as a width and 1080 as a height pixel. In pixels you have to do, and you have to click on create new design. So this is the format it will come. So if you want to get this type of ruler, you have to go to file and go to setting and show rulers and guides. Click on show rulers and guides here. Okay, and go back, go to elements, and you have to select the square shape and just take this to the left hand corner, and you have to fix this for 1080 into 1080 for both width and height. So here you go, you drag this, and here in the black box you can just see the width and the height. So both should be in 1080 into 1080. Okay. After this, just duplicate it and drag and place it here. Just to know the difference, just change the color as black. Okay. So you get to know the difference. So just copy paste or duplicate it. Change the color to gray. Again, duplicate. You get it. Change the color to black. Again, duplicate it. Change the color to gray. Okay. So you'll get 5 boxes. So here you can put your own different content for each box. So let us take, just for example, you can do it as you like. You can create your own post or content. So here I'll be writing top social media platform. Okay. Now you can do this, place it in center. Then you can again take a subheading or a heading, anything is fine. Let me take a heading itself. So you can write, first one is Instagram, right? Instagram. You can also paste the pictures. So you can also go here. You can write Insta icon or Insta anything. You can also copy paste anything as you like. Okay. You get Facebook, Insta, right? So as for now, I'll be just taking this and you can place it here just for identification. Insta, right? Or else your Insta icon. You get reels. See, you will be getting different sorts of Instagram icons here. Okay. So now you can also duplicate this, drag it here. You can also write Facebook. Facebook is the second top social media platform. Here you can go here, write Facebook icon. You get a Facebook thing, you can just place it here like this. And the third one would be, which one? Hmm? Which one would be third most top social media? It would be Twitter, right? So you go here and go and type Twitter icon, you get it. Let's put X or a bird. Let's put, I'll change it to blue color. Okay. Blue, blue, blue. Yeah. Or you can put X also, right? So now next would be YouTube. YouTube. So go here, click on this element, and you just place it. So after doing all these kind of things, you can change the text color, background color, background. So you can change it. But you need to change the text color also. Yeah. This is the thing. So here, select it, do that. You get a black and white theme. So what you have to do, you have to cut this or crop this into 5 different boxes. So you have to go for the software called Pine Split Image. So when you go here, you just click on choose file. Before choosing file, just go back here. You have to download this image. Download this image to JPG or PNG. Anything is fine. Go give the quality, download it. Oh, should wait. See, don't do this mistake. You have to always see this content part before downloading it. So you have to change the text color here. Don't forget that. Okay. So now download it again. It's downloaded. Then go to PineTools split image where you can choose a file and upload it. Upload it. And here you how to split the image. There is an option called how to split the image. You have to split the image vertically, not horizontally. Okay. So the blocks into 5. Quality of blocks is 5. Quality of blocks equal height. Okay. So same as input, that is what we have given as JPGN, right? So the image quality will be 100. Just give it 100, okay? Now click on split image. So the image is splitted into 5 different boxes. So here you can download the image and upload it in your social media platform like Instagram. Okay, that's all for today's video, and I'll be meeting you in the next video and the next creative. Till then, tada, bye bye.